Want to add a video to your WordPress site using Elementor? In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process so your pages can come to life with stunning videos in just a few clicks. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Just a question. Do you want pro-level web designs without the hassle? Elementor makes it easy, and for that reason, it's my favorite tool. Use my affiliate link below and dive right in. So, start by heading to the back end of your WordPress website. From the left-hand menu, click on Pages, then click on All Pages. Choose the page you want to edit. I'm picking the example page for this walkthrough. And then click Edit with Elementor. Once the Elementor editor opens up, select a section where you want your video to go. On the left panel, search for Video in the widget search box. You'll see a widget called Video. Just drag and drop it into the section you created. Now that the video section is in place, look at the editing panel on the left. Here, you can choose the source of your video. For example, you can keep the source as YouTube and simply paste the video link in the provided box. You'll immediately see the video appear on your page. If you want to use a video from your computer, change the source to self-hosted. Toggle off the external URL option and click on the plus sign to upload a file directly from your PC. The video will be added to your web page, just like that. Scroll down a bit and you'll find more settings like autoplay, mute, loop, player controls, and captions. These help you customize how the video behaves on your site. If you're using a YouTube link, some of these settings may depend on YouTube's capabilities. Once you're done, click Publish at the top right corner. To see how it looks, click the preview icon right next to it. You'll now see your updated page with the video embedded exactly where you placed it. That's it. That's how easy it is to add a video using Elementor. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.